how to get your test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account. So if you want to get your test and live Stripe API keys from your Stripe account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then open up your browser. And on your browser, you need to search for Stripe, and then you need to go with the official website. And here on the top right, you will have the sign in option. You need to just click on sign in and then sign in with your correct credentials. After signing in, it will take you to your dashboard. So once you're on your dashboard, now you just need to simply go with the home section, which is here on the left side. Click on home, and from home, you'll have a developer section. On the bottom left, as you can see that you will have the developers option. You need to click on the developers. And once you click on the developers here on the left side, you will find API keys. Once you find API keys, you need to click on it and select the specific section where your API keys are held. Once you're on the API keys page, you'll see both your test and live API keys listed there. It's important to know that these keys are what you'll use to authenticate requests made by your application to Stripe servers. Always make sure to safeguard these keys, especially the live ones, as they allow access to actual financial transactions. When you're ready, you can easily copy your API keys by clicking on the corresponding buttons next to the keys, which will be right here. Make sure to store them securely. You could also save them in a password manager or another secure place where you can easily retrieve them when needed. And there you have it. You've successfully located and copied your test and live API keys from your Stripe account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.